Here's something that often gets overlooked in small and medium businesses. Training isn't just a compliance checkbox, it's one of the biggest drivers of employee satisfaction, engagement, and retention. People want to grow, and when they don't feel like their employer is investing in their development, they start looking for one who will. But there's also a compliance side, and that one doesn't have much wiggle room. Workplace health and safety, inductions, privacy policies, code of conduct, these are not optional. If something goes wrong and your team hasn't been trained, the consequences for your business can be serious. The problem is, for most SMEs, staying on top of all that manually is a real challenge. Employment Hero's learning management system solves both problems in one place. Compliant training that's tracked and auditable, and a full library of development courses your team can actually benefit from, without you needing a dedicated L&D team to run it. Start with a course library. It's stocked with hundreds of ready-to-go courses, vetted, professionally built, and covering everything from workplace health and safety to mental health, first aid, and leadership fundamentals. For a small business without the resources to build training from scratch, this is a significant advantage. Just assign and go. For compliance training, assign courses directly to individuals or your entire team, with a completion deadline and an automatic notification sent straight to the employee. No chasing, no spreadsheet tracking, and no manual follow-up. Completions are tracked in real time on your dashboard. If someone falls behind, the platform sends an automatic reminder, and every completion is logged against the employee's record. So if you're ever audited, everything you need is right there. If you need something specific to your business, your own induction process, a product knowledge module, a company policy, you can build it directly in the platform. Upload your materials, add a quiz to test comprehension, set your pass mark, and publish. It takes minutes, not weeks. The best training programs are the ones that actually get completed. When learning is built into the same platform your team uses every day, not a separate system with a separate login, the barrier to participation drops significantly. Whether you're keeping your team compliant, supporting their career development, or both, Employment Hero's LMS makes building a learning culture genuinely achievable at any size. Learn more at employmenthero.com.